Hey, and what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Farm Dream. My name is Raymond and this is the Dream. In today's video we're gonna look at the front yard, but I want to start off first by saying that I shaved my beard because it just wasn't working. Nothing was growing, so we're just gonna cut that and just leave that as it is. I want to say that I'm hoping everybody's staying safe, and yeah, just stay safe, keep yourself healthy. For today we're looking into the front yard because I want to start and actually finish it. I've said finishing stuff so many times. I'm not finishing it, I'm just gonna work on it. A lot has changed in the front yard, a lot of green stuff has been growing, so let's look into that and also finish up the rest of the garden. Let's go. Now I just wanted to start out on this side of the garden where we have our strawberries because they've been growing really well. And actually, if I can grab one, there we go. Look at that. Now that's a perfect strawberry, and I know you should wash them first, and I probably should, but just gonna taste it. That is just really sweet. We already harvested quite a lot of strawberries, and I must say they taste really good, way better than what you get in the store here. Now next to our strawberries we've got these snow peas, and they've been growing really well as well, and we already harvested quite a few of them. There's actually one more. I personally tend to use these a lot in noodles. I really like that. It gives a nice bite, and yeah, they're doing really well. Once they are done, we're gonna transplant some tomatoes in here at the bottom, and we're gonna make them grow at the front yard as well. Now for raised bed number one. I must say it is doing really well. It's doing better than we expected, and it's completely filled up now. So in the back here we have our sugar snaps. They are now flowering, and actually I see a first sugar snap hanging right here, but they need a little bit more time before we can start harvesting them. In front of the sugar snaps we've got some carrots, and they are doing really nice. They're getting bigger and bigger. I have no idea what's underneath. Maybe we get some weird looking carrots. We had that last year, so we'll have to see. But they are growing, they're doing well, and they seem to be looking really healthy. Now I just want to go underneath our sugar snaps for a little bit, because here is our Asian lettuce, and as you can see, really nice big leaves. And we've been eating quite a lot of them. We just keep on harvesting the big leaves and eat them in a salad, and it's a really nice taste, really fresh, nice flavor, so really happy with that. Now in front we have the beetroot, really big patch, and it is starting to look, we have a few beets that actually are a little bit bigger than a golf ball right now, so they are getting quite big, and they are getting almost ready for harvesting. In front of the beetroot we planted some leek, and they are just starting to grow right now, so it will take quite some time. We probably harvest the beetroot before the leek actually has time to grow fully. A few more sugar snaps on the side where the sticks are. We just wanted to get a few more because these are almost ready, so a second round because we like to eat them. Next to that we put in some fennel, and they are also really small, you almost can't see them yet. All the way at the front we have some spinach, and we have been eating some of that as well. Add that to a lettuce mix. And next to that is the pointed cabbage. It's quite big already, but it's now starting to make that inner part, so we're just waiting for that to start happening, and then we can see some nice pointed cabbages. And now for the second raised bed. A little bit of time has passed because I had to help somebody out, but we're at the second raised bed now, and we're gonna start from the back to the front. So all the way in the back we put our broccoli, and two of them made it, but one didn't, sadly. I don't think it's gonna make it anymore. It stopped growing and the leaves are turning yellow. But in front of that we have our spring onion, and they have been growing really well. They are to a point where we can almost start harvesting them. In between we have a row of flowers, and this is just something Nicole came up with to add a little bit more flowers, a little bit more color to our raised bed. So flowers in between here, and then the paprika plant over here. The leaves are hanging down a little bit. It is doing okay now. We had a little bit of an issue with some lice. We're just trying to sort that out. We are working on that. The same goes for the French bean. There are a lot of lice on them, so I'm gonna check and see what we can do in a natural way to prevent that as much as we can. We had a lot of lice throughout the entire garden because there was an ant problem. Now ants like lice because they milk them, believe it or not. Like we milk a cow, they milk the lice, and they use that as food. So a lot of lice in the French bean, gonna take care of that, but not right now. Then we have a little bit of space here, and I want to see if we can maybe start planting some new spring onions there. Now a big bed of iceberg lettuce in front. I love it. I just love iceberg lettuce. They are my favorite, really, my favorite lettuce. In front of that we have some fennel like we have in the other raised bed. So we're growing them in 2 separate locations. Then we have rucola. The rucola we have been harvesting and eating as well. It was in the same salad as this one, so we added that to it. And then in front of that we have some flowers that attract ladybugs, so we can prevent the lice as much as we can, because ladybugs eat the lice. So that's it for this raised bed. Outside of the raised bed we have a chili pepper, and then in the border right where you guys are at are our blueberries. And that is about it for the front yard. This is what we've got going right now. Really happy with it so far. We have been doing some weeding, but not too much. Now, with us being done talking about the front yard, there's actually one more patch in here that we don't like just yet. This is something that we have neglected for a little bit. It is full with sand, rocks and big tiles, and we just want to take that all out. I got some new rocks to put in here. We're gonna leave a little patch open on this side and on this side, so just in front of the window we're gonna pour these rocks, and over there and there we're gonna put some plants just to give the front yard even more color. So I'm gonna start by taking everything out and we'll move on from there. So here we are again, stones filled with sand. We want to filter out the stones from the sand. The neighbors have the same stones that we have laying right here, so I'm just going to chuck them in there. I'm going to build a filter system once again. When I have a build, pour out all the stones through it, because it just needs to get filtered. There's too much soil in it. And then when we have that done, we can work on the rest. And the sun started shining again. Let's go. It is safe to say that this is far from perfect, but it is working. So let's put everything through it and just get it over with. Now all the preparations are done. This is at the right level. A little bit of compost needed on the other side. And for the middle, we just need to get some protection so no more weeds can come through all the new stones that we have. I'm gonna go and grab that from the store, and when I get back, we can finish it off. So I'm back and I've got my weed control fabric, or weed protection, whatever you want to call it. It's a tarp for the bottom, and it prevents weeds from passing through too much, and we can put our rocks on top. So I'm just gonna open up the package here, and when we have it open, I'm gonna put it down and cut it to size. And then when that's done, we can actually already start laying our tiles or our rocks on top. The tarp is in and the first layer of bricks is also in. I really like this. This is really bright right now with the sun, but when we put some plants on either side, it's gonna look great. I'm just gonna fill it all up, and then when we have it ready, it will be awesome. Time for a break. Better. Let's go. Now the reason I'm rushing so much is because Nicole doesn't know I'm doing this. So I want to get it all done before she gets home. Digging a little bit of a hole, getting the plants in, and then compost on top of that to make it look nice. I almost can't believe I'm gonna say this, but the front yard is done and I'm happy with the result. It looks really good. There's a lot of green in it. We got all the wood inside, and then at the back we have the newly added stones, and we're gonna add some more plants, but I'm really happy with it. Hope you guys are too. Let's wait for Nicole and well, let's see her reaction. Nicole is about to arrive, so I'm just sitting on the chair like it's a normal day. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let's see. Hallo.
Hey, dat is mooi. Wat mooi. Oh, dat ziet echt goed uit. Nice. Een groot stuk ook. Vet mooi.
So there we have the reaction of Nicole. She's really happy with the result already, working again in the background on the farm. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to live the farm dream.